Hi friends, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about body movements or posture during an interview. Let's start the class. First of all, we have to adopt an engaged posture while you take an interview. Better, they shouldn't feel that you are really idle. So better sit straight and face the interview board and wish them and be seated calm as well as relaxed. The second one, appear calm as well as relaxed. So keep your body really open. It should not be felt that you are too stooping front or you are just bending too much back. So just take a straight position. Your back should be really straight and head should be really straight facing the interview board. Then keep a smile and lean forward a bit when you answer. So whenever you answer, it is really nice. You would be just bending or even stooping. Stooping means it is not too much bending, that just taking your face or your front a bit further and answering the same, because that shows that you are interested to answer. If you would be just sitting just like an idol, it wouldn't make much reaction. So your emotions are also really considered really valuable in front of the interview board. So that's why it is better to express. And then next one, slow your breathing, really be calm as well as quiet. So when you would be entering, as soon as you enter the room where the interview is taken place, you have to just make your breathing really calm. So you can take that usual breathing exercise, counting 1 2 3 and taking the breath in and holding it for 3 and then releasing it after counting 3. So the same can be done 2-3 times before you enter the room, and after, as soon as you reach inside, just make your breathing really calm and quiet, because it is quite natural that you may have a bit tensed. So all the people, those who would be, even the skilled one would be having the same tension would be there, even though you are a fresher or skilled one or experienced one, it doesn't matter. So being nervous is quite natural. Don't feel it unnatural. This is the first thing. So that's why you are not the first person to face the interview. So it is and it is not your first interview or the last interview too. So keep the same. If you would be getting a better chance, you are ready to work. This is the same feeling you have to create in your mind. Don't be upset. Okay, the third one, then use the right hand gestures. Whenever you would be saying something better, using right hand gestures, not like this or even not like this. So these two have a bit negative sense. So better. So when you would be just taking the interview, better use the right hand gestures. If you are a left-hander, sure, you can use the same. So the same would be feeling that you are quite natural. If you would be taking both of the hands, that means that shows that you are perplexed or even tensed. Okay, so take one hand. If you are a right-hander, use right hand. If you are a left-hander, use the left hand. Don't mix up both of the hands together. Okay, then fourth one, mirror the interviewer, mirror the hand movement. Mirroring means when you would be just reflecting it back, what is their aspiration. When a question is asked, you have to just answer the question straight. Answer the same and be relaxed, and at the same time wait for 1 or 2 seconds for the next questions to come. So when a particular person is asking, if it is a board, when a particular person is asking, face that particular person and answer the board. When a particular person is asking, face that particular person and answer the answer. So don't just answer the questions looking into the person who would be sitting in the middle. So better face the person and answer the question, and then be relaxed again, and then when from the right or left, from which side the question comes, turn that side and answer it. Then fifth one, get your eye contact really right. It is very important. You have to make your firm eye contact with the person whom you talk. So it is necessary. Without that, you will be felt as a person who has no confidence at all. Then sixth one, avoid lying signals, especially touching nose or even touching these eyebrows and just showing this type of signs, and would be just taking, some would be just catching this nose, sorry, this ears, nose, then and making the mustache ready. So these are the signals that shows that you are hiding something, you want to hide something. So better avoid these types of signals. And the last one, give a perfect handshake. So when you just enter into the same, they may not be initiating the handshake, but at the same time you have to just do the handshake. You have to just give them hand and give them the handshake, and match the interviewer's grip. Don't just holding the side, but better hold it too tight. That means tightening means it is should not be just gripping so firmly, but at the same time you have to match the grip of the interviewer, and repeat their name when a particular person, if you are just introduce, this is Mr. Dash and this is Mr. Dash. So by the time you can just say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon. So and just give the handshake. And if it is a board, so if they are not willing, at the same time having too much distance over there, better don't initiate for the handshake and don't go near to them to give the handshake. There you can just say good morning, good afternoon, like that. And whenever the interview gets over, you have to stand straight and say thank you for giving you this opportunity, and then you have to just stand back. And when you enter the room, that's one more thing that is really important. When you enter the room, by the time you have to just take a middle position, that a 90-degree position, to close the door. When you open the door, at the same time it's your duty to close it too. So at the same time, don't make them tell you that please close the door. So as soon as you enter, please don't face them. By the time you can just face them. May I come in, sir? After getting in, you have to just take a 90-degree. Don't turn back to them, and don't stay facing them. So take a 90-degree position and close the door and enter into the room and wish them and sit there. So this is the way you have to start and doing the interview. Okay, thank you for watching this class. Those who haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it and enable the bell icon that you may get the new videos whenever we upload. Thank you. I would like to wish you an amazing day.